Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to start our second chapter of chemistry. The name is acid, base and salts. What is acid and base? It's just the nature of chemicals. It's just the nature of chemicals. How can we define an acid and a base? So, an acid is defined as a substance which release H positive ions. You may also call hydride ions. An acid, it may be defined as a substance which release hydride ions in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution is called acid. What is aqueous solution? The solution in which the solvent is water. The solution in which the solvent is water is called an aqueous solution. So, an acid, it defined as a substance which release H positive ions, means hydride ions in aqueous solution are called acids. After releasing the hydride ions, these hydride ions get combined with the water molecule and provide hydronium ions. So, an acid may also be defined as a substance which release hydronium ions in aqueous solution is called an acid. Now, examples of an acid is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, which is present in the vinegar solution, citric acid, which present in lemon. All these are the examples of an acid. All these substances release H positive ions in aqueous solution. So these are considered as an acid. Now, some characteristics of acid. What are the characteristics of acid? First, acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. They may be able to conduct electricity in aqueous solution. Almost all acids are able to conduct electricity in aqueous solution. Why? Because in aqueous solution, acids release ions, and due to the flow of these ions, they conduct electricity easily. All acids are able to react with metal carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonates, and with simple metals, and even with bases also. There are more important characteristics of acid. The first one is all acids turn blue litmus to red, and on the red litmus there is no effect of an acid. The red litmus remains as it is in acid, but the blue litmus turns into red in acidic solution. And also phenolphthalein indicator. In phenolphthalein, acid remains colorless. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acids, and methyl orange gives red color in acid. The pH of acid is less than 7. pH of an acid is less than 7. And in litmus solution also gives red color in acid, so blue litmus turns into red in acid, phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid, methyl orange turns into red in acid solution, and litmus solution also gives red color in the acid solution, and the pH of acids remains less than 7. Now there are two terms, strong acid and a weak acid. What is strong acid? What is weak acid? Strong acids, those acids which dissociate into ions completely. Those acids which dissociate into ions completely are called strong acids. Weak acids, those acids which do not dissociate into ions completely are called weak acids. Examples of strong acid will be sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, etc. And the examples of weak acid will be acetic acid, carbonic acid, etc. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज यहीं तक करते हैं. थैंक यू.